Hello guys, today I'm very excited to show you this new product that I have here. I'm very excited to try it because I'm studying a career that we usually use laser and TENS to do therapy. So I think it will be perfect. It's an upgraded cold laser and TENS therapy device. And it says that it's reverse skin again, it is speed up wound healing, it has a relief arthritis, pain relief, muscle recovery, eliminate acne vulgaris. Okay, so let me open it and then we're going to try it. Okay, now if we open it, we have the certificate. Okay, then we have the user manual, yeah, then we have the charger, and maybe I think that it's like a band. Okay, it's like a band. Then we have just like a napkin to clean it. Maybe we have another charger. Okay, we have like another band. We have glasses here in this box. We have some glasses, and then we have the instrument. Wow, okay, like you can see there, it's like UV X-ray. Okay, so we're going to try it. Okay guys, before using it, I'm going to show you the product components. Okay, we have this one. It's the, okay, let me turn it on. Okay, this part we see here that it's like a sun. It's the laser intensity, okay? And then in this part, we have the TENS intensity, okay? So laser intensity and then TENS intensity, okay? Then we have this bottom to the laser intensity and then this to the TENS intensity, okay? We have the time bottom and then we have the power bottom, okay? In this part, we have the charging port, okay? And then in this part, we can see the battery capacity, right? So telling this, now we're ready to use it. Okay guys, in the instruction manual, it says that for having the best experience and that protect your sensitive eyes, please wear the protective goggles before using it. Okay, so we're going to put the goggles, and then it says that we can turn it on. Okay, now I'm going to turn it on, and then I'm going to use the, what we can use, we're going to use the TENS bottom, that it will be this one. Okay, so I put in the first intensity. Okay, now I'm going to put another time my goggles, and then I'm going to try it another time. Okay, so let's try it. Okay, I'm moving the time. Okay, now in the first intensity I can feel it better than in the second one. Okay, so I think this, you can use it maybe if you have like it says in the first part, like arthritis, muscle, maybe like an inflammation in some muscle. So okay, yeah, in the first level it's perfect. You can be moving it and it will be great. So I really recommend it. Okay, I'm going to turn it off. Okay, I already turned it off. So, and I think I love it because it has the straps, so you can put it, for example, in this part and then grab it. Okay, you can do like a knee or I don't know. So I think it will be perfect, this product.